Hey everybody, we made it back to our home base, and look, it's snowing. We got back just an amount of time before the snow came down, and now it's finally coming down. We have the RV parked, we had to bring our slide in, but we out here. So stay tuned, we're gonna have a long episode on this one because we still have to take the dog out for a walk and entertain the children. Stay tuned everybody. Alright, we back in our home base. But we gotta clear some of this snow to make it give us some room to come out of here and let the kids play. We just have to look at that. Come on guys, you guys can come over here. Make some room just so that the kids can play. They can come out. Again, this weather's not supposed to stay like this for long. It's supposed to get better tomorrow, but the more snow that we have out here, the longer it's gonna stay like this. But if we clear it, we have more space to play, and the snow will melt by tomorrow. This is more gradual here. If I clear it out, we have more room for everyone to have fun. He's stronger than you.
Yes, he is.
See if you can bring him over here. Right, I had to grab the dog because he's a little bit too strong for my little boy here. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand while the babies run around. They love moving around this place here. Come on, guys, come play over here. I'll hold Mac tight so he doesn't jump on you guys. But we're just gonna clear the area off over here. Remember, don't go where I'm cleaning the area. You can play where I cleaned, not where I didn't clean, okay? Because the snow is deep. So I'm clearing off a big area for you guys to play in the snow. It's gonna be a huge area for you guys to have fun and to play and to run around. Listen, don't kick the snow, Melanie. Come over here. You can play in the part of the snow that I cleaned up. Remember, if you put your feet in it, it's going to get really cold. So don't put your feet in it. I'm going to clean it up. The area that doesn't have a lot of snow, you probably can have a lot of fun in it. And enjoy more time out here.
Dad, I am very warm. I am very warm.
You're warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll stay warm staying on the part of the area that's not deep in snow. But once your feet get submerged in the snow, because we don't have on snow boots, we have on sneakers, because we took all of our winter stuff and put it away because we thought the winter was going to be over. That groundhog, he said 2 more weeks and we on like the 3rd week. That groundhog didn't tell the truth. You remember the groundhog? He didn't tell the truth. No, he didn't. All right, we got most of this area clean. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take Mac for a little walk and then we're gonna come back. But the kids are loving this. Remember, don't jump on the RV wire. That black wire is the RV wire. But we're gonna have fun. We're going to jump around and play. We're gonna have so much fun out here. And yes, we're gonna do some parenting out here too because my kids have a lot of energy, so we have to burn it up before we go back inside the rig. So stay tuned everybody. I'm gonna put this shovel right here where it won't go anywhere, and I'll take you guys along with us. Okay, we're enjoying our walk over here. It's great. It's awesome. It's great. Now you come into the woods, and it's nice and snowy. Of course, we have to be careful because of the plows. So we're gonna come over here and just enjoy the nice weather, snowy weather, and just have fun. It's great. course, my babies like to run off. I'm not going all the way down there. I like to play, but I like to also stay close to where we are. Up, come on, puppy. Up, up. Yeah. Up. Rah. Learned that little trick from work. Sit, 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 sit. He's like, I don't want to sit, it's cold. He has his jacket on, he's doing well. He would make a snowman, but a little bit too cold to make a snowman. Uh-oh, do I have his plastic? Get his plastic. We always love taking nice walks, coming through these wooded areas. You never know what you're gonna see. Look at these evergreen trees. These are evergreens. You know what an evergreen is? Well, it lives a long time, but when the winter comes, they don't lose their leaves. Those are evergreens there. I mean, different type of evergreens, but they're beautiful. And I love when it snows because the snow sticks on them and it makes them look like Christmas trees, even when it's not Christmas. What do you think, Melanie? You don't know?
It looks like a winter wonderland.
And you know what's also good about the snow?
What?
You can see the animal tracks.
Oh yeah, I can see Max tracks right there.
Yeah. What is he? A vertical or diagonal animal? He is diagonal.
Oh yes, I know.
Yes, he's diagonal because he's walking on all fours. And you can see his trails as he walks. Are we vertical or diagonal?
Vertical.
We're vertical.
Oh, geez.
We only have 2 tracks when we're walking. 2 single inline tracks. But the vertical animals,
Oh, look at my footprints.
they leave 4 sets of prints and a straight pattern. So that's always really cool. Don't bite, man. Which one of these trees you want? I'm gonna take it back to the RV.
Oh yeah. I don't want,
1, 2, 3. Out of these 3, which one do you want?
I want this one.
You want that one? Which one do you want, Charisma?
This one?
You want that one? So we're gonna take 2 trees back? Which one you want, Melanie?
I want
That one? Huh. So we're gonna have to take 3 trees back. Not 1, but 3. It's a lot of trees you're taking back.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not carrying them at all. I think that'll be super heavy. Not me. I like animal tracks. And I know which direction I'm going.
Look at this one here.
Hey.
Which direction are you going? You know? North, south, east, west. So we're all the way up in the mountains now. To get back to the city, we have to go east. How do I know that? You want to know how I know? I made it up.
Yeah, what? You made it up.
I made it up. I asked Mac to sniff his way back because he's a vertical animal. He'll be able to sniff his way back and tell us how to get there. You guys want to go back to the RV and play?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah? All right.
Mac can sniff. Mac, come on, sniff my way back. Not. What? No, not.
Kids ran in to get some hot chocolate and warm up a little bit. Since we've been out here for a little while, you know, this weather is great, you know. We thought that this weather was over. We were just out on our last trip and we had to cut it short and come back to our home base. But it's crazy. You would think that the snow would be over and the winter weather would be over. You know, we're already in March. Thought it was behind us. You know, I have a whole host of trips scheduled for the family. And of course, we're not gonna cancel because I can see the temperature and the weather is gonna go up. The temperature is gonna go up. It's not gonna stay low like it is now. tomorrow it's gonna be in the 40s, high 40s, the next day in the 50s, and it's gonna be like that for the whole week. It is going to go into the 30s and high 20s during the night, but that's expected when the weather is changing. So we really don't mind it that much, but it's dumping out here, you know. We might as well be in Moab right now. You know, we dodging the weather, you know, not having too much snow, but this is absolutely lovely. Hey, the kiddos coming back. Y'all running back. You want to play with the doggy?
No.
Yeah, they do.
I'm not. I think he'll jump on me.
You like the snow, Papo?
Yes, I do. I like it so much.
What campground we just came from?
Country Lake.
How you know?
Because I remember everything.
Yeah, he remembers everything. You liked it over there?
Yeah, I did.
You want to go back next week?
Yeah.
Hopefully if it stops snowing, we can open up our slide.
Yeah.
There's only a couple of times it was actually moving and it was snowing, but this time it's not. I gotta clean off these steps.
And I want to go to the park.
You want to go to the park?
Me too.
What about the swimming pool?
Oh yes, I want the barefoot. Max eating.
You want to go to the swimming pool?
Yeah.
You want to swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to swim. Here, you got to zip up your jacket. There we go. It's not too cold out here. I mean, it's dumping, but it's dumping at the temperature that it can dump snow. And it's actually sticking. That's the surprising part. I don't know how long it's going to stick, but it's actually trying to stick around for a long time. The amount of dumping it's doing. My dog is trying to jump. Come here, come over here. Let me see. Can you stay up here? You can try to stay. I like to call him Brownie. Okay, stop jumping, Brownie.
Brownie.
We're gonna have to put the blow dryer on him. He's wet. But he likes being out, right? You can't wait for the weather to get better. We go everywhere together. We go running, swimming. We go everywhere. I put him in the water at about 16 weeks old. He was swimming in the water with me. So this is a good companion, this chocolate American Labrador. It's a great dog. What are you making? You catching snowflakes?
Yeah.
You can make snowflakes in your hand. You can catch the snowflakes. But they melt. You know why they melt as soon as they go into your hand? You don't know? It's because your hand is warm. Because the blood rushing through your body generates heat, and you moving around generates heat. So when the snow touches you, it needs cold so that it can accumulate. But because your hand is warm, it's not going to accumulate. It's going to melt as soon as it touches you.
How is that not melting?
Oh, because that's not on my skin. That's on the leash, the part that's accumulating. But if you look into my hand, that part is not accumulating.
Oh.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys see these red marks right here, and any of the pictures, those are around the RV pad, so that you know at night when you're backing in, like how far to go and where the spot is where you're actually backing into. They help out a lot because, as you can see, I'm far away from it. And that's how much space we have when we back in. And we have another big, large space on the other side. So we have a wide range where we can park this RV. But they go from the sides all the way around to the back and to the other side, so that we know. So sometimes some people see them in a Facebook post, but those are just there to help us park, help us get in. I've seen a lot of people have them just to help them park when they are backing in their RV. They help out a lot because your rear view mirrors will pick it up right away. So it helps out a lot. We have a huge space over here. Tow vehicle is behind us. There's enough space to park your tow vehicle and just have enough room to play around. You know, when it's not snowing, I usually place my table here or over here on this side, and I have another grill that I place over there so that we can enjoy barbecue all year long, whether we in our home base or we're somewhere else. We also bring out our awning to block the sun, but we're not bringing out much now. With all this snow dumping the way that it is, right? The snow is dumping. Yeah. Right. It's not too cold though. Keep the steps nice and clean so when we get in. Were you cold sleeping in the RV? It's hot in there. We have to leave the door open sometime, but not when it's snowing. We have to leave the door open, especially when we start cooking. When we start cooking, that thing get hot in there. So we like cooking outside. When we cook outside, it doesn't get as hot inside. It's that heat, it keeps the heat in really well. I'm surprised about that. Is he eating this flower?
Yeah. I don't know.
Why are you eating that flower, Papu? Not a flower, but it's a tree. Yo, you know what kind of tree those are? Those are also a type of evergreen that doesn't die. And yeah, they survive in the winter too. All these trees here, that's why we bought them. And they're also great deer repellents. The deer will not eat these for some reason. If you plant any other tree, the deer will eat them. They like to eat the leaves and berries, but these type of trees, they don't eat. Yeah, but we have to cut them before they get big. Like this one, it was really, really small when we got it. Now, look how big it is. It's like a big man. Yeah, it's gonna keep growing. Yeah, it's gonna. This one, we had it somewhere else, and we had to take it out of the thing that it came in, and we buried it in the ground. And that one it came back to life. But now Mac is trying to eat it up. Mac is really trying to destroy it, is he? One good thing about our home base is that we have a shed over here where we can store a lot of our things. What do you have here? You find this. So there's easy access to the RV. We just take it from the RV to the shed, back from the shed to the RV. So it helps us out a lot. And as you can see, the kids love it. How you guys like them auto shows that people are going to? We have yet to go to one of those. I think I've got scared to go because I know we'll end up with another RV, and this RV is plenty. But just looking at all the RVs and the layout, you know, it makes me want to get it really bad. But our layout is not too bad. And ooh, somebody went down. Ooh. Our layout is not too bad. Where we have a lot of things inside, which makes it great. So that's why we like it. What happened? You want some love too? You want some love, Brownie? You want some love, Brownie? We called you a diagonal animal, and you walking like us. You playing and walking like us, like you a vertical animal. You diagonal or vertical? Look, you vertical now. No, don't bite me. You can bite your leash, but don't bite me. You vertical animal. Yeah, that's we have to call him a vertical animal. He's part of our family. Imagine we bring the guinea pig out here. You think he'll survive?
No.
No, it's too cold for a guinea pig. Stop jumping. Stop.
I think it'll be good. I mean, if it's in
Stop,
summer.
puppy. You think he would be good inside?
Yeah.
When did we take the guinea pig? I think we took the guinea pig to Florida. Yeah, it was a long time ago. We didn't have the RV then. We drove and we stayed in a house. We rented a house and we took the guinea pig. I remember it was when we had 2 guinea pigs.
Oh yeah. Benjamin.
Remember that?
Yeah, Benjamin.
His name was Benjamin?
Yeah. Thank that was.
And what's our other guinea pig's name?
Ricky.
Ah!
Ricky.
Yeah, all of us are Ricky. You cold?
No.
Chris, you cold?
No.
Yeah, they just like me. I'm out here with a sweater on. I'm not even shivering. I may just take off this sweater right here.
No.
My t-shirt. No, I'm not going to do that. We don't want to get sick. We don't want to get sick, do we? Well, I got to be careful. Mac is over by the RV wire. He didn't chew on it, did he? Did you get the RV wire, buddy? No, he didn't get it. But what he did get was this stick over here.
Yes.
He did get the stick. You have to be careful with that. Mackie.
Me can have snow race car.
This is crazy here. Be careful, it's slippery. Us walking on here is actually compounding the snow into the ground, making it harder, the snow. So it just makes it more easy to walk, but it's also going to make it slippery. But it all melt tomorrow, so it'll be fine. But be careful, you don't want to slip into the ladder. That'll hurt. Yeah, let me fix your hat, Mommy. Come here. Let me fix your hat. Hopefully the dog don't jump on you. There you go. Your hat is fine?
Lucky.
Right.
Not hurt me a lot.
Hurt you a lot?
Yeah.
No. Whose room is this right here?
Ours?
Yeah, that's your room. I think that's the top bunk over there.
Oh yeah, it is a top.
There's a top bunk.
And that window might be yours.
I almost fell down. Yeah, that is my window. I almost fell down. You saw that?
Yeah, I did.
All right, guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. It's getting cold out here, so we're going to go in and get some more of that hot chocolate that we've been waiting for. So, see you later, everybody. I'll let you guys go first.
On your feet.